Just okay. It's a little bit flimsy at the base. It does look sturdy, but it's really not that sturdy. My cat can knock this thing over pretty easily. Yet there are different functions. With the remote controller, you can make it brighter. You can adjust the temperature of your light, which is nice. Right now I'm gonna put it on the night setting. And
this is the remote it comes with. So like you can just turn it on, off, again. You have different light modes. You can make it darker or brighter. So my favorite light on sale is this one. It mimics the sun.
Got to stop acting like a child.
What? We're not allowed to have any fun in the apocalypse.
Do you realize how dire our situation is right now? I'm trying to hold us together for Hannah's stellar jobs.
Very modern. Fits in the corner beautifully. You could step on the foot control to turn it on.
This is what my bedroom looked before the new lamps, and this is how it looks with them. Pretty bright. Couple settings, yeah.